Dear viewers, we are now in the mountains of Morocco, and we are going to visit one of the historical villages.
Now we are roasting corn. It's really delicious, my friends. Now we will explain to you how to prepare a traditional Moroccan dish. First, we wash the chicken and cut it into pieces. Then we add some oil and a little bit of spices such as black pepper, paprika, cumin, salt, and parsley or coriander. After that, we cook it well with the spices, onion, and olives. Tell me in the comments, have you ever tasted Moroccan cuisine? Don't forget to like, comment, and follow the page.